Artificial intelligence is accelerating at an unprecedented pace, promising to revolutionize everything from healthcare to content creation. But what happens when this powerful new intelligence doesn't just make a mistake, but confidently outputs information that is completely, fundamentally untrue? We call this an AI hallucination. Imagine asking a machine for a critical piece of information and receiving a perfectly formatted, plausible-sounding answer that is entirely fabricated. This isn't just misinformation. It's a new, unsettling digital phenomenon. These large language models, or LLMs, are designed to sound intelligent. They are masters of prose, but sometimes they prioritize linguistic fluency over factual accuracy. The result is a crisis of confidence in the very tools we are beginning to trust most. In this documentary, we are diving deep into the mind of the AI. We'll uncover the technical why behind these bizarre fabrications, examine some of the weirdest documented cases, and, most importantly, give you the tools to spot and protect yourself from AI lies. So let's start with a clear definition. What exactly is an AI hallucination? Simply put, AI hallucination is when an AI generates an output that is factually incorrect, wildly nonsensical, or completely divorced from its training data, yet presents it with absolute certainty. It's crucial to understand. The AI isn't maliciously lying. It's operating on probability. It's predicting the next most logical word based on patterns, and sometimes the most probable word sequence leads it astray into pure fantasy. Now that we know what it is, let's explore the core reasons why AI forgets reality and begins to weave fiction. One major factor is the sheer volume of training data. LLMs are fed petabytes of information from the entire internet. When data is this vast and often conflicting, the model's internal representation of truth can become blurred and unreliable. AI models are primarily optimized for linguistic fluency. Their main job is to generate human-like text. Factual accuracy is a secondary concern, meaning a smooth, confidently structured lie often scores higher than a hesitant truth. The consequences of these hallucinations range from frustrating to catastrophic. Let's look at some of the weirdest and most high-profile examples. Perhaps the most damaging case involved a lawyer who used an AI chatbot to draft a legal brief. The AI fabricated multiple case citations and precedents out of thin air, leading to serious legal repercussions and fines. We've seen AIs invent entire biographies for real people, fabricating qualifications, degrees, and major life events that never happened. These digital ghosts can rapidly spread across the internet, cementing themselves as, quote, fact. Visual AIs hallucinate too. Just look at the famously distorted hands and bizarre extra limbs in early image generations. The AI struggles with consistent reality, even on a visual level. The core question remains, how do we navigate this new information landscape? How do we verify AI output and protect ourselves? The most fundamental principle is to cross-reference. If the AI cites a source, check it. If it gives a key fact, check it against 2 or 3 other trusted, human-vetted sources. Never accept a high-confidence AI output at face value. We can engineer our prompts to force the AI to be honest. Ask the AI, where did you get this information? Or, justify your answer with 3 independent sources. Making the AI show its work dramatically reduces the chance of hallucination. As AI becomes integrated into every facet of our lives, the nature of trust itself is evolving. AI is a powerful tool, but it is not a replacement for human critical thinking. The models are learning, but their ability to generate convincing falsehoods means human oversight is more vital now than ever before. The future is collaborative. By understanding AI's limitations, recognizing its confident falsehoods, and practicing verification, we can harness its power without falling victim to the weirdest lies. Stay curious and verify everything.